Good morning and welcome to AGORACOM TV. George and Paul are both on assignment. My name is Jim and I'll give you the headlines of the day. First off, in the venture exchange, Kinbauri Gold. Kinbauri trades on the venture exchange under the symbol KNB. Today they announced that they drilled 27.9 meters of grading of 5.4 grams of gold per ton, 14.5 grams of silver per ton, and 0.8% copper, including 3.5 meters of 18.3 grams of gold per ton, 46.0 grams of silver per ton, and 1.6% copper. This is an advance of the latest news from its ongoing 23,000-meter underground drilling program at El Valle in northwestern Spain. The highlights of the assay results include 27.9 meters grading of 5.4 grams per ton of gold, 14.5 grams per ton of silver, and 0.78% copper in DDH 08KV 1058, which includes 3.5 meters grading of 18.3 grams of gold per ton, 46.0 grams of silver per ton, and 1.6% of copper. Last week, Kinbauri, the last trading of Kinbauri was at 81 cents. Kinbauri is an AGORACOM client, so please do your own due diligence. Next, Arianne Resources announced preliminary drilling results from its Opanaca James Bay project. Arianne trades on the venture exchange under the symbol DAR, and they again are an AGORACOM client. Arianne announced that its Opanaca drilling campaign was completed on February 28th. 13 drill holes for 2,976 meters were performed on the gold mineralizations of Contact Bull and Chino zones. Two of the three drill holes that tested the contact zone returned significant intersections. One of the holes, OPI 0802, returned 2.15 grams per ton of gold on 3.8 meters, including 9.8 grams per ton of gold on 0.5 meters, while drill hole OPI 0803 returned 1.87 grams per ton of gold on 8.5 meters. It last traded at 9 cents, and Arianne again is an AGORACOM client. Next off, we have Bellhaven Copper, another AGORACOM client, which trades on the venture exchange under the symbol BHV. Please do your due diligence on this one. They announced that they received a second $500,000 U.S. payment from its joint venture partner, Dominion Minerals Corporation. And lastly, on the venture exchange, we have HOLO. HOLO Resources trades under the symbol HLO. HOLO intersects 6.3 meters of 1.3% copper and 7.8% zinc at the Lost Lake deposit. They last traded at 31 cents. Going on to the OTCBB, not much news today, just one sales report of Dynamic Response Group Inc. They trade under the symbol DRGP. They were last at 3 cents. That was their 52-week low. And they announced that Dynamic generates $4 million in revenue in January sales. Dynamic is a leading innovator of strategic marketing solutions, which achieved a record 4.1 million sales in January alone. And it's an increase of over 100% compared to the 2 million in January of 2007. Sales were driven by strong demand across the company's suite of products, particularly Riddick's, the Legends of Soul DVD, and the official NASCAR Members Club and Proceed. Just as a note here, the official NASCAR Members Club has over 75 million estimated fans in the United States alone. And now we have two halts for you as well today. One is Vendome Capital. 2, Vendome trades on the venture exchange under the symbol VCT.P. And they are now, and it's halted because they're pending news. We also have Ecomax Energy Services Inc. They trade under the venture exchange under EES, and they're an AGORACOM client, and they have pending news. And now breaking news, a third one, Noront Resources has just halted. Noront trades on the venture exchange under the symbol NOT. Those are your headlines of the day. Please join us again tomorrow where George or Paul will be back with more in-depth look at the small cap world.